What up, good people? Huge shout out to Aston Martin of Washington for allowing me to review the 2024 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Today we're introducing the 2024 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This particular model wrapped in a stunning cashmere gray, giving it that signature Rolls-Royce elegance and presence. For the dimension, this luxury SUV measuring 210 inches long, 72 inches in height, and riding on a 112-inch wheelbase with a ground clearance of 6.8 inches, giving both commanding road presence and everyday usability. Under the hood sits a 6.7-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing a massive 562 horses for the torque 627 at 1600 RPM. The power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission with all-wheel drive, allowing the ultra SUV glide from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. This SUV tops out at 155 miles per hour. Despite its size and luxury focus, it's still delivering around 19 mpg on the highway and 12 in the city. Would you just look at this Rolls-Royce Cullinan? That cashmere gray looking absolutely sexy. This have a price point of $450,000. You can see exactly why this thing costs so much. Every detail on this SUV screams exclusivity, craftsmanship, and presence. From the hand-finished materials to the iconic spirit of Ecstasy sitting on the hood. This isn't just a luxury SUV. This is luxury in its ultimate form. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted by mandarin leather with black accents. The cabin is where Rolls-Royce really separates itself from everything else on the road, paired with premium material, meticulous craftsmanship from the seats to the door panel. The mandarin and black contrast give the interior a bold yet ultimate luxury feel. And we cannot forget about this signature starlight headliner that create the star-filled sky effortlessly above you, making every drive feel like you're sitting in private luxury lounge. Right here we're looking at an analog gauge. On the left you have your RPMs, on the right you have your gas gauge with your engine temp, in the middle you have your MPH. On the left side of the steering wheel you have your cruise control setting with your gap assist. On the right side of the steering wheel you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command. On the turn column you have your 8-speed automatic transmission. The buttons right here are your headlight buttons with your interior dim alongside your engine start stop button. Looking down on the door panel you have your one-touch window control with mirror control alongside your trunk release, and guess what? These buttons are metal. Right here we're looking at a 10.25-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have 4 different camera views with your backup camera. You have your traditional radio shortcuts. Looking down from the radio, you have your dual climate control with your heated and cooled seats alongside your heated steering wheel. You have your cup holder area. The buttons right here are your parking sensor with your air suspension alongside your camera view. You have more radio shortcut with your bezel. You have your hill assist with your off-roading button. You have your glove box for your extra storage space. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your starlight buttons and your SOS safety connect. You have your memory seat setting with your massaging seats. And we're greeted again with that mandarin leather with black accents. Back here is where the VIP experience really happened. You get incredible legroom, ultra plush seating, and the kind of craftsmanship you only experience with a Rolls-Royce. And honestly, you already know who this for. The one who preferred to be driven instead of driving, where luxury comfort begins. You have your air vent. You have your climate control with your heated seats. You have your reclining seat with your 8-way adjustable seating. You have a built-in refrigerator for your 2 champagne glass back here. And you already know what that means. Cheers to the contract we just signed with a little Sprite inside. We chilling in pure luxury right now. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting alongside your starlight. Oh yeah, let's not forget your Rolls-Royce umbrella. Man, this is pretty fancy. It's on a whole nother level right here. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 19.8 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious. You're not putting nothing back here. Once again, huge shout out to Aston Martin of Washington for allowing me to view the 2024 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.